Okay, you are never gonna believe this. The days of turning off your Ray-Ban Metas every 5 minutes or putting them back in the charging case every hour and a half are finally over. And no, unfortunately, this isn't an update or anything like that. But luckily, you don't have to buy an entirely new pair of glasses either, because this is all accomplished with this one little box. So what's inside, shall we? I don't think I should have to tell you about the Ray-Ban Meta's battery life. It bugs a lot of people. To be honest, it has never bugged me a ton because I'm pretty used to just shutting it off in between different activities and not leaving them on 24/7. But for the people that try to do that, it's been a real problem, especially because they have to put them back inside of the case and not wear them. If you're wearing prescription glasses or you're outside in the sun, then what the heck is the point of having them if you have to take them off? Like it's ridiculous. But this product, which barely anyone knows about, has solved that. And this product is what if I just left in this entire pause? I know it just looks like a charging cord, but that's not all it is. Look at this. These attach to your glasses. Let me show you. If you look at the bottom of the front of the glasses, you'll notice there's these two little pinholes right here. All you do is hook up the charging to that directly with the smaller side pointing forward. It's really easy if you lean it backward a little bit towards the glasses and then push up. From there, it should snap on perfectly. And you'll also notice you have this other little clip thing. What is that for? Well, you simply use it to clip onto the side of the Ray-Ban Metas wherever you want so that the cord becomes barely noticeable. From there, you can pull the cord taut, so any extra parts where it's sticking up disappear. As you can see, the cord is even behind the frame here, which is nice. So then what? Do you have to carry around a giant power bank to plug this thing in everywhere you go? No, you don't. In fact, all you have to do is plug it in to your phone. Stick your phone in your pocket and it is charging. And I know this because the green indicator light on the glasses to indicate it's charging are on. So this is indeed charging. Now to make this even better, obviously we can pull this cord behind our ear and then make sure that our phone is in the same pocket of the side that we clipped it to, whether that's the left side or the right side. So obviously you can choose either of those. I'm gonna pop out these lenses so I can get a little clearer view of what's going on. Okay, so I've popped out the lenses so I can see a little better. And indeed the cord is still kind of out invisible. So there's two ways you can kind of hide this if that's something that you really want to do. One is to just place it inside of your shirt. Obviously, you can do this before you plug it into your phone, so you don't have to shove your phone into your shirt for demonstration purposes only. You can also go behind your back here, which is probably the best option of all. If you had long hair or you were wearing a hoodie, you wouldn't even notice the cord whatsoever. Oopsie. So again, it goes back down the left side. Let's kind of center it, place it in our pocket, and boom, we are still charging. Now I'm gonna go ahead and switch the glasses on, and the battery is actually at 100%. The nice thing about that is this charger will not overcharge your battery. That is also a really good feature. Now the cable itself is about 4 feet long, which is plenty of length, and you can still hold your phone up while it's still plugged in, but you can also unplug it whenever you want, but honestly, you don't even need to. Now you don't have to use your phone. You could use an enormous power bank so that the charge is never an issue, but honestly, iPhone batteries are so long, I find just using your phone to be completely fine. Now, this product was actually brought to my attention by one of my commenters who said they discovered this and are going to use it to sail out on the ocean and have very long battery life. But before you click off this video, there are important things for you to know. Yes, it's great that it charges the glasses while you are wearing them. That is honestly incredible. And depending on your power source, these could easily make the glasses last all day and have them never leave your face, which is amazing. Not just for people who need to wear the glasses all day with prescriptions, but for people that want to wear sunglasses for a long time, people that want to leave the case at home, and people that want to record content all day long. But can it really do that? Does it still charge when the glasses are on, or do they have to be turned off? Does the cord ever get in the way of anything? Well, I'm going to answer all those questions, so let's head on outside. Okay, so I've killed the battery a little bit at around 90%, and I unplugged it from my phone. So first we need to see if it actually charges while the glasses are on. So right now, I'm gonna start listening to music, and I'm gonna plug it in, and it's working. Oh my gosh, this little orange light turned on to let me know that it's charging while it's on and listening to music. So now you can listen to music all day with these. That's actually amazing. Okay, I'm gonna start heading that way on my board, and I'll tell you if it can charge while you are filming. Let's start filming, and it is going. It's still plugged in. Everything seems to be working fine. Let's stop, and it's still charging. Wow, that is absolutely insane. So you can literally just have this thing plugged in and have your glasses last all day without taking them off your face. And it's so well hidden. Wow, I'm actually blown away right now. This is crazy. Thank you, commenter, for showing me that this thing exists, and it has almost no reviews, so literally no one knows about this. So the other crazy thing about this is I've been filming and listening to music, and now the charging light just turned green. So these are actually going up. It started at 90% while I've been doing all this filming and listening to music and recording, and it's at 95% now. It doesn't make it die slower, it literally makes the charge go up. I'm blown away right now. If you want to know about the lenses I've been changing, I have a separate video on that. It's so nice to just ride down these hills. If this video helped you out, subscribe for all things Ray-Ban Meta. One last thing, obviously this product is in the description. Check out the link, it helps me out a little bit at no extra cost to you. That's all for this time. Take it easy.